Good morning. Good morning. Before we get into traffic, let's talk some money this morning, beginning with CAVA. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about what I'm investing in this morning. And CAVA is heavy on my radar after beating their earnings yesterday. If you're not familiar with CAVA, they are essentially the Mediterranean version of Chipotle. They have been increasing their market share over the last couple of years. And as a result of that, they beat earnings. They killed their earnings, right? So I already have some CAVA, so I was able to capitalize on that aftermarket earnings report. So we're going to wait this morning because I'm thinking about buying more shares of CAVA. But what I want to do is I want to wait for the market to open. I'm waiting for the pullback when you see an aftermarket earnings beat. And CAVA smashed their earnings, you guys. So I'm going to be very comfortable today. Again, I'm going to do dollar cost averaging as I invest in CAVA. I'm waiting for it to pull back. It's at 170. So I'm going to wait for it to come down probably to around maybe 160, maybe the low 160s or mid 160s. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to buy some more CAVA. And we're just going to hold and ride the wave. Now, my plan once I ride the wave is I'm going to ride the wave and then I'm going to sell probably, I don't know, in a week or two. I'm just going to have to really watch the stock closely to see what it does. And then once I see that it's sort of peaked, then at that point, we're going to look into buying some options. In particular, we're going to look into buying a put because what goes up must come down. And my goal is to make money in both directions. I want to make money as it's going up and I want to make money as it's coming down and beginning to level off because right now it is inflated by those earnings. So these earnings may not hold long term, but again, I want to just wait and see. That's really what you have to do. Don't be in a rush to jump in. Speaking of jumping in, let's talk about Tesla really quick. Yesterday, he was announced as the efficiency director. I don't recall the exact title because don't even get me started on politics. So we're watching Tesla this morning to see what the benefit or what the repercussions of that may be. I do have a feeling that we're going to see it increase in earnings. We're going to see the stock or share price increase today. So I'm watching that. But again, even if it does increase today, I still feel that a major pullback is coming. So we're just sort of watching to see. You cannot predict what the market is going to do. There's no foolproof way to know exactly what's going to happen. So sometimes waiting and watching is going to be your best possible outcome. I'll see you guys in traffic in just a little bit.